Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable weekends or show weekends for your calendar and schedule on the Early app. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your calendar in the Early app, for example, in the web version or the desktop version. And then guys, that was at least the case for my account. You will need to enable the weekends first because on default it should be disabled. So you will need to access your account settings here in the bottom left. Here, click into my account. There, what you want to do is scroll down, and here, what you want to do is click into edit working hours. As you can see, Saturday and Sunday are disabled here. So if you'd like to add it to your calendar and to your schedule, enable them here, and then click into save changes. Now, what you can do also is, for example, guys, navigate to your calendar. And here in the top right corner inside the calendar view, you may enable the visible days from Monday to Friday to Monday to Sunday. And now if you, for example, take a look at the weekly view, you will see that indeed Saturday and Sunday have been added so that you can add time entries, activities for the given time slot. And yeah, treat this as a 7-day week instead of a 5-day week in your calendar. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.